Day three. Just left the bunkhouse, South Downs bunkhouse. Pretty comfortable night, but I'm just kind of walking now down towards Arundel River. You can see beautiful kind of scenery there. I can't quite really figure out whether this is a footpath or not. One of the lads at the bunkhouse told me I'd be able to do this and go down this way, because the road is crazy outside the bunkhouse. It's supposed to be 30, but it looks like everybody's shooting down there about 60 miles an hour, and they pass very, very dangerously close. I mean, some guy nearly clipped me with his wing mirror yesterday, so I provided him with a little hand gesture incentive to behave himself. Yeah, so about 20, maybe 25 miles, I think. I haven't a clue how far I've got to go today. I'm just going, so I'm just going to see how I get on today. I don't feel physically great. Just feel a little bit queasy or whatever. I don't really know what's wrong with me. So it's just another kind of runny bimbly day, really. See what happens. Stop raining. Nearly 7 minutes in now, so I'm gonna stop. Probably gonna chance it maybe take off my bottle. It's coming up to Chankton Hillfall. Yeah, I don't really know how far I've got to go, I'll be honest. I'm gonna hazard a guess and say somewhere about 20 miles maybe. Lots of pigs. This one I pet them. It's so lovely, look, he's coming out. Hiya. River Ada. I was hoping to dip my feet in, but nah. less than about 2 miles to go now, I believe. Managed, thankfully, to secure a camping pod for this evening. Just atrocious weather, absolutely atrocious weather. Everything is soaked now. Cold and wet. My hands are stopping working because of that cold and wet now. So mercifully I've got somewhere inside. I'll be dry, I'll be out of the wind and rain at least. We'll have to faff around the town. It's got to be the worst weather that I've run in yet. Absolute worst. So yeah, happy days. Salvation. 27 miles. 27 miles I've done. And the most atrocious weather I think I've ever run in yet. And now, look at it. Look at the bloody weather now. So yeah, Haldane Farm there. South Downs Way, I'm assuming goes up that path there and then probably up that giant hill, which is brilliant. Can't wait for that tomorrow morning. Thankfully, because I've done 27 miles today, it probably means it's going to be less than about sort of 25 tomorrow, 23. Welcome to Shabimbla. This is my camping pod for this evening. As you can see, I've untidied it very, very quickly. I'm so happy to be in here. So happy. Trying to dry some stuff with the mini heater. I'm not how sure and effective it's going to be, but it's better than nothing, which I would have had if I camping. The weather at the moment is now, it's not raining basically, which is absolute pain considering how it's been for most of the day. Feet are generally okay, although I think the right one's slightly swollen, but there's nothing I can do about that anyway. This is my view. It's a rather lovely one, and I think tomorrow I kind of head straight up that path up there and over that hill. There is some, I don't know really, 23 miles left maybe, something like that, to Eastbourne. So it's going to be quite a good day tomorrow. I don't need to get up ridiculous early. I can go at about 7 o'clock. I just hope it's a nice day. Hope it's not raining at least, I think. That would be nice. So yeah, happy times. by my reckoning I'm over halfway. Well, bizarrely I've seen a sign that said 15 miles. I don't think that's quite right though. It was 19 miles from the youth hostel, 6.5 miles to here. So that would leave somewhere around about 13 miles. Right. There's a load of Solomon runners out today as well. I mean, they've had a lovely day because they've only set off from the youth hostel. Whereas by the time I joined them, while they've caught up to me, I've already had 9 miles in my legs. Just stopped at Afriton. I had a lovely bacon sandwich and a cup of tea and a coke. So now I'm heading out back onto the South Downs Way again. There's quite a few people mingling around today. There's some runners, some walkers. I think some people doing event type of thing. So yeah. Never been a happier sight. Anyhow, everybody. So there you are. Eastbourne, which is where I actually thought the end of the South Downs Way is, but it's not. It's right frigging back up there where I've just come through. But that is it. I'm done. 100 miles over 4 days over the South Downs Way. Absolutely crazy. Shattered. My feet are killing me now. I've got to try and find my accommodation next, and I've got to walk back up, so I've got to walk back up that way anyway. 100 miles, people. 100 flaming miles in some absolutely atrocious weather.